Hi guys, how we going? Well, I've put together some videos and stuff today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This one that you're going to be looking at is about an accident that went very badly wrong. There were 3 in the car and 2 were dead. One was dead on impact. They got them out, and one died in the ambulance. There are choppers, helicopters, ambulances, fire brigade, police. It was a bank robbery. It went wrong, done by 3 teenagers. They were speeding. They lost control. They went into a car, and the car went up in flames. They had locked the doors so the police couldn't get to them, and the police finally did get them out though, but unfortunately one was already dead and the other one died in the ambulance or at or near the ambulance, and the other one survived. What happened to that survivor, I don't know, but yeah, so it wasn't really very nice. It happened just down the road from me. This is going back a few years now. It didn't happen yesterday. It happened a few years ago. And I thought you just might be interested in seeing what I saw. So enjoy the film.
Yeah, no, I think it's be a bit later.
TV crew did, yeah? I would have talked to the TV crew.
Tell them the truth.
They're going to land at school.
So your parents living in the sale now?
Yeah.
And got a good job?
Yeah. So I was the police chase.
And yeah, been up to
For sure.
already.
Yeah.
All the footy around.
Oh, they might have been, but they can't land here because of all the lines.
Oh, I better go and get the ball.
No, that's the problem.
Alright, I'm going to go over and see
Where'd Jamie go? Where are we all going?
No, yeah.
And they're trying to find a place to land.
And that was the last thing he remembered.
We've been pushed back behind.
Somebody rang the police, and the police lost the divvy van going out.
Behind that.
Someone sold it, or no, you're right. Lost it in where the black eyes.
Oh, you mean accident?
Yeah, going out.
There's going to be a dead body.
And you could not. The only thing, and this is gospel, Brendan about this. The only thing
body
was
just there.
salvaged off that Falcon
I reckon it's going to be
was
dead.
one wheel. Every panel, even the seats inside, he bent where he hit and what have you. I did a wet, right? But it wasn't wet. It wasn't wet. Yeah, no, it was wet. It was. Yeah, it was a greasy road. It was just really whispery, like it's just on the other side of the car, that side. It's straight and just missed my head. And cops came in, they jumped on the car and they got
It's another chopper.
Hey, we've got to get you out of here, all the way down there. I said, well, I hope they right.
This is breathtaking news right here. I'm here before the TV crew.
He's trying to set me up. No, that's all I was trying to do. Anyway, they're running repaired. They repaired the freaking balls up there. And Troy ended up buying it off me in the end. But yeah, and it took me beyond 2 years driving on the wet to feel confident. Because I was like, I was a wreck, I was in the truck one night. I went from here to the house the other side of Booter's there. This way, that way, all the way. Yeah, that's happened to me. I was going, the back was coming to the front was going to the back, and the whole thing. And that was just the black ice. I reckon black ice or war. To do, you drive wet like this, with running dust on the lights. To run over the roof, the towers must pick up the Jeep. They picked up the Jeep, winched it on the back of the truck, to the truck, back to the yard, had a wet shop, had a big open space for cars, damaged cars on there. But back then, you're watching it, and anyway, they've gone in between all these cars, and they're bringing the tilt thing back to it, and the bloody chain bloke, the car come rolling off the back, at a rate of knots, missed everything and come to a stop. I'm like, yeah, why doesn't it miss something? It wasn't time for that vehicle to die, yeah. It just want to keep living. Yeah, and what frustrated me was it was insured for it was a $35,000 vehicle, but it was so old then, it was insured for $10,000. And I thought, I'll be good. Of course, they fixed it, and I ended up selling it for $1,000. And he sold it at the garage sale for $1,500. After he racked up another 30,000 days on it. Brendan lost his, well, he didn't lose it. The bloke that gave me on his motorbike down at Hackney, I think it was. The bloke in the lilac suit passed him just a bit before that, and then pulled up a set of lights. Brendan pulled up behind him, and then the bloke in the ute decided apparently that no, I won't go around that way. I'll back up and I'll go and park over there and I'll do something. Put in reverse and...
No, my battery's running low, it's 10%.
Yeah, the frame and whatever, like so the insurance company wiped it off. But it finished up the edit.
Well, I think that's about as much excitement as we're going to get.
They must be working on those lights, they haven't raced them off. The thing to me was that obviously nobody...
Helimed, you'll hear Helimed in a minute. Over the next chopper we'll hear in the air. Where's it coming from?
Helicopter coming from Melbourne.
On the... Oh, Wind News is already here. Oh.
You're talking about...
I'm going.
Are you talking about that helicopter?
Okay guys, part 2 of this here accident. We're a bit closer this time.
said anything. Like I was doing about 140. There you go. Will I let you go home?
Let's see if we can do more footage.
I guarantee it. Yeah, darling was There was 30 cop cars. 30 to 100. Fuck, man, I'll tell you, I've never seen taking a Jackson Mall before. Yeah. That's it. Once I got. That's what I'm saying. They paid it and we went back. Mate, I live in the street. So I lived in the street. I said go past me, mate. So don't say you won't. To prove it. Yeah.
Hey Steve, the smoke hurt me. I might have to take a sickie tomorrow.
Yeah, like that'd be unusual for you.
Hey, I don't take sickies. I had the last couple of weeks.
You can't get past me at all.
No, yeah.
The bus won't be able to come down this way. Just come the opposite way.
Head on.
They get told to go around.
They did a robbery or something.
Did they?
Yeah. And crashed on it all over the front of him.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, on the plus side, at least we know what all the undercovers look like now.
We got ears.
I went for driving.
Yeah, me too.
I went for driving.
See, they're lucky it hit the tree and not the house.
Oh, I only copped chips.
Wow.
I only copped chips. They were chasing it.
It must have been doing a fair rate of lots with it.
Oh, mate, there was 30 cars after it, mate. Over 30 cars. And I'm telling you, I'm not exaggerating.
There's at least 15 sitting here now.
I'm telling you,
One
mate.
car go past and then just
I swear, there was over 30 cars that come past.
Oh, I tell you what, here's a bit of excitement for you. Here's an accident. Oh, look at this. We put on pause. Hang on, guys.
Bring some sausages. I thought they have a barbie. They
Wow.
smashed the car, caught fire.
Hey, brother, where did he smash into a tree?
Into one of those trees, and the second tree.
How did he do that?
He was speeding. Crashed in there. There was three in the car, and they had to break the windows.
Sarah said Dylan and
And they smashed the windows and tried to get them out.
Did they get him out?
Always the way.
Did they get them out
Yeah,
in
just
time?
There's no kids.
visitors into our meeting. I'm trying to ring you and tell you we couldn't go this way.
Did you bring the sausages?
Wow.
There was no kids in there. I don't know, but when you guys
Go down and make it. They won't let me through. Everyone's out.
Is my husband or should you let us?
Yeah, we can't go down there, Mum. They won't even let me through. So
check on you.
So what?
The car for the light.
Yeah, I was down there with Dad trying to help him get him out and everything. Apparently what happened was there was an armed robbery. Apparently it was an armed robbery and the cops were chasing him. That silver car pulled off about 10 minutes and then a bang. Because we were sitting inside and we heard the bang, Mum. Me and Dylan ran up and Dad and we seen two people in there. And someone tried to grab a hose before they tried to put it out. There was two. after we got them out, apparently there was an armed robbery though, and the cops tried to call it off at the last 10 minutes because of school outing.
They let me go?
No, they won't even let me through, Mum. You can come and try and ask Mum, but they wouldn't even let me through.
He said, oh, there you are, there you are.
Nosy.
You're not allowed up there.
Her husband's up there.
They're going to tell you off,
Do you want me to go with
yeah,
Mum?
they'll tell you off. Dad's up there. That's why she's going up there.
Linda, do you want me to go with Mum?
Nah, she's alright.
Who are you? Wow. Over there.
You can be on Wow.
I only seen 2 cars down at, 2 cars down at
How the fuck did they hit the
police station at a time. Where are they all? Where'd they come from? I don't know.
You don't have to go that way, mate.
Hi, Andrew.
Hey?
Well, I saw all the black smoke because I'm only in
I heard
Dable
the bang.
Street.
Oh, the cops taking her up there.
Oh shit, that's a car.
Yeah, because it's a it's a
What they do,
I'll let it through.
Being dickhead.
I'm just gonna go to Mum to make sure she's alright.
No, Mum will be fine.
There he was. There he was.
I reckon someone's stuck in the car.
No, they got him out.
They smashed the windows.
Yeah.
That's something new, you know.
Wow.
Medal for that. Same as
Wow.
We don't know, we just heard a pop.
He's in the way. Damo, stop talking. Give him away.
Make sure Mum's alright though.
Get out of She's fine. She's up there. You can see her.
She'll be alright.
Yeah, we can see her, she's fine.
They have to do that.
There's a car accident. A car caught on fire.
You have to go that way.
Have to go that way.
Yeah, you have to go
That way there.
Well,
It's okay.
Hope Dylan's alright. What the hell?
Who ran in front of the cars?
Yeah, they ran in front of the car. Didn't even look. Yeah, keep going.
I'm going to stand in the middle of the road and tell them.
Yeah. You can't go that way, Wade. You have to go that way.
Did they take him out in an ambulance? Did they need an ambulance?
Oh, there's already one up there.
It's alright. Like when they got them out of the car, did they need to put them in an ambulance or anything?
Go and bother with the car, yeah?
Well, the car doesn't look very healthy, does it?
No, it doesn't.
No, I mean, I don't think they're going to be able to drive it to work tomorrow.
No. Oh, you got Buckley's are going away.
Yeah, you got Buckley's going that way, mate. No, give me one.
Wow. Well, there you go.
There's going to be a fucking other car.
I parked up on the nature.
Car crash! How did you know before me? We should go.
Wow.
There's like people in the way.
At least they have something that way.